The KGEN airdrop has been live for a while now, and right now it is time for you to claim your reward for those that have been participating from the very beginning. About 5 months ago, I made a video explaining how to participate on the KGEN airdrop, and for those that have been live and been following from the very beginning, if you have been completing your task from the very beginning, following the guide that I provided in the video, it is time for you to claim your reward right now and wait for token listing. The KGEN airdrop has a lot of tasks for you to complete. As a matter of fact, it is a gaming airdrop, so if you are a gamer and you're playing games on the platform, completing K-Quest and completing K-Drop, it is time for you to actually claim your rewards. So before we get started, please do like my video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. If you know anyone you invited to participate on KGEN airdrop, reach out to them and let them know that they can claim their rewards right now. So the first thing you need to do is to log in on the play.kgen website. All right, so you log in either using your email address, your Discord, or your Twitter. So when you scroll down to the featured K-Drop, you're going to see claim and stake your add KGEN allocation. So I'm going to click on that to get started. Claim and stake your add KGEN allocation, and it ends in 24 days. After the 24 days, then we start talking about token listing. So for those that have been following and completing tasks, this is time for you to claim your reward. From your profile section at the top right corner here, if you click the wallet section, you're going to see your wallet info and everything that you've gotten. So my K points that I've gotten so far is 37,000. I have not been very active on this. All right, so I have not been very active. That is why my points on this account is very little. But that doesn't stop me from checking my allocation. So the first thing you need to do is to claim your add KGEN phase 1 allocation. So this is going to be in different phases. Even after this, more phases will be released for those that want to participate. So I'm going to click on get started, agree, and proceed. So the first thing I need to do is to claim this, right? Click on validate. So validation failed. I need to click on this claim reward so that it will take me to the new site where I'm going to claim the reward. So this is a page for you to claim your allocation. First thing you must do, of course, is to log in. To log in, you can use either your email address, your Twitter, or your Discord. So as long as your email, your Twitter, and your Discord are already linked to one account, it will always bring you to your main account. So I'll just use my Discord to log in. Okay, you can see that I'm logged in now, right? So the first thing I need to do is to click on check allocation, check now. And then I'm going to be getting 25 add KGEN amount. So this is my allocation, right? So, and make sure that you do this in before 24 days, as it's going to end in 24 days time. So the next thing I'm going to do is simply click on claim. You can watch this short video.
Thanks to the effort that you put in over the last 2 years that KGEN is.
So when you're done watching the video, you can see that your claim is now done. 25.1 add KGEN is ready to stake. So this is the claiming process. So you just need to claim so that you can secure your allocation, because after 24 days the allocation will be burnt and you'll be able to claim it. So from the menu section here, you'll be able to see your add KGEN that you have claimed. This is your balance. And remember that this balance will be converted to the real token when it is time to list on exchanges. So make sure that you claim your add KGEN. The next thing you need to do is to come to stake. You need to stake at least one of the token you just claimed now, so that you can use it to, because there are several tasks you need to complete here. Let me close this. There are several tasks you need to complete here in order to be positioned for the next phase. Remember that this is phase by phase. So I'm just going to make it a stake. So out of my 25, I'm going to stake one. I'm going to stake one token, because I'm just staking as little as possible so that I can be able to qualify for the next phase. Don't put it on auto renewal, so that you can always unstake at any time. 30 days is the least amount of days you can stake, so I'm going to put it on 30 days. If you want to go for 90, I don't see any reason why you should go for any day above 30 days. Then I'll click on stake. I will confirm. It is almost done, processing in few seconds, and my token has been staked. Add KGEN amount is 1, staking duration is 30 days, staking date September 6th, and then APY is 18%. I am done here, so I will return to this place here and I will validate for the stake. Claim your KGEN phase 1 allocation. I will validate. I have staked already. 1000 points secured. This is in preparation for the next phase. Then the next one, stake your KGEN. Since I have already staked, I will just validate, and that has been claimed. The next one is harvest your KGEN. When you have staked, you can come to the withdraw section. You can see on this section here, you can see harvest and withdraw. So after 24 hours, you can only start harvesting your reward after 24 hours. So you can simply come here to harvest so that you'll be able to claim this harvest your KGEN reward. So after 24 hours after staking, harvest your reward and then come here to validate this. So the next task here is share your claimed KGEN on X. I'm going to click on tweet. I will return here and click on validate. That is done. So basically guys, this is how to claim your reward, and then from now on you just need to wait for them to go live so that you can claim your token and use it to sell and do whatever you want. So as you are preparing for the next phase of the airdrop, you can come to Quest. You can come to the homepage here, so that because there are many tasks you can complete on this particular airdrop so that you can get more rewards. So once you're here, if you scroll down, you're going to find different games you can play. You can see under gaming, this is a game. You can open it and see the task. You play the game, you get your reward. The more points you get when you come to your balance section here, the more K points you get, the more KGEN you'll be able to claim in the next cycle. All right, remember that I had just 34,000, around 37,000, and I got 24 points. So if you have more points here, more K points, you'll be able to claim more K tokens when they eventually go live. So if you want to learn how to participate on the airdrop, you will need to watch my video, my KGEN gaming testnet, so that you know how to mint your POG NFT and participate on the airdrop. The procedure has not changed. You just need to follow exactly what I show you in this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends. Check out other testnet videos on my YouTube channel, as I cover a lot of testnets that will earn you good amount of money, most especially this Octra airdrop. Check out Octra airdrop, KeyChain airdrop, Cashmere airdrop, and Somia, so that you can participate and be better positioned for more airdrop reward. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and bye for now.